Hi, I'm Tom Petroulis, Director for OC Waste and Recycling.
Hi, and I'm Tom Frankwitz from RMI, Principal of the Waste Methane Initiative.
And we're at the Frank R. Bowerman Landfill in Irvine, California. So this place is actually engineered to maintain and protect not only groundwater, but also air quality.
RMI is here to take a look at how OC Waste and Recycling is working hard to reduce methane, a greenhouse gas with 80 times the warming power of carbon dioxide over the near term. Landfills are the second largest source of methane in California. Methane is produced when organic waste like food scraps, yard clippings, and cardboard breaks down without oxygen. Beyond the warming impacts, landfill emissions contribute to smog and can release harmful pollutants into our air and water. But here's how OC Waste and Recycling is addressing this challenge. It starts with stopping organic waste from getting to the landfill in the first place by encouraging waste prevention, food donation, and composting. These are Orange County's Windrow compost facilities, where instead of going to the landfill, organic waste from residents and businesses is transformed into nutrient-rich compost that's free for community members to use. To date, OC Waste and Recycling has diverted more than 64,000 tons of organic waste, avoiding the equivalent of 12,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. This has the same climate impact as pulling 3,000 cars off the road for a year. And compost application has further benefits, boosting soil health and crop yields, while aiding in climate adaptation and resilience.
We want to be able to take organic material and not have that go to the landfills. And so one way of being able to do that is to take organic material and then to be able to produce compost. And that compost can then be utilized by businesses and then residents to be able to use that back into the community in terms of for farming, agricultural, and also for landscaping purposes as well.
At the landfill, they're also leveraging new technology like drone-based sensors and robotic sniffer dogs that can find and fix methane leaks and improve landfill design and operations. This is all part of the Smart Landfill program, which automates critical information and equipment to increase landfill gas collection.
The Smart Landfill is basically a concept that centers around the Kaizen mindset, which is continuous improvement. And so what we're doing is we're taking a look at our current practices and putting in best available technologies to improve what we're doing regarding landfill management, such as what we're required to do with landfill gas collection and monitoring, as well as inspections and operational support for looking at fugitive emissions associated with differential setup.
One key element of the Smart Landfill is automated wellhead tuning, which continuously monitors and adjusts the landfill gas collection system to boost methane capture. Staff here estimates that its Smart Landfill initiatives could cut emissions by up to 15%, while also reducing odors, improving air quality, keeping staff safe, and protecting public health.
The technologies we use to measure the landfill gas includes the drone program that is happening behind me that has the sensing capabilities from above and augmented with a technology to sense the methane at each wellhead, and then the integration between the two to be able to give the tools for the operators to optimize the best way to manage greenhouse gas.
We transitioned our business model simply just from landfilling to resource recovery.
So it's not only an investment in, I'll say, your employees, but it's an investment in the future.
Fast action to cut methane is the most effective way to slow warming in our lifetimes. By composting organics and implementing smart landfill technologies, Orange County is showing how to effectively cut methane pollution while benefiting its residents, which we hope will serve as a model for other communities, operators, and policymakers across the country.